Guys, in this video, I will be sharing with you how you can create an EC2 Amazon Linux and connect to it in a few simple steps. So you want to ensure that you're first logged into your AWS console. From the search box, you can search for EC2, however it's on my recently visited. So here on this console page, just select launch instance. For the name of the server, I'm just going to call it Amazon SVR. Then scroll down under application and OS images, select Amazon Linux. Then scroll down. So because we want to utilize a free tier, we're not going to change the default settings. However, for a production scenario, you can always scale up and scale down whenever you like. Now, when we're connecting to the server, we're not going to be using username and password. We're going to be using a private key. So here, select create new key pair, and I'm going to call this Amazon key. For the key pair type, keep RSA token. For the private key format, we're going to be going with PPK. Know the difference? You use PEM when you're doing OpenSSH and PEM for use with PuTTY, right? So select create key pair. And once the key has been created, it will be downloaded to your downloads folder. Now scroll down under networks. I want to allow traffic from my IP only. And we're going to be keeping the storage as default. You can add more volumes. You can change your storage type as well as you can change the size. So the default is sufficient, and here you can create multiple instances by increasing the value. Here, so one is sufficient. Alright, then scroll down and select launch instance. The instance has been successfully initiated, so select the instance ID, and here we can see that the instance is already running, so that was pretty quick. So select the instance ID in order to connect with PuTTY. So copy the public IP, launch PuTTY, specify the IP, and for the session we're going to, so you can save the session here so you don't have to enter the IP each time, as well as the key that we're going to be using to connect. So expand SSH, expand auth, select credentials, browse for the private key file. Select open and then select open. So now you can see that we can basically access the server. So accept. So the default user is EC2 user. So enter EC2 user and there you go. You're successfully logged on to your AWS EC2 instance. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.